Hello children, welcome back to calculus. Last class we started our new lesson, that is chapter 3, a trip to Bhopal. In this session we will do some calculations through calculus. Okay, addition and subtraction. That is, before that some fill in the blanks. 4 plus dash equal to 10. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 6. So we can write 6. Then 8 plus dash equal to 8. 8 is added to a number, we get 8. So that is, the number is 0. When 0 is added to a number or a number is added to 0, we get the same number. So 8 plus 0 equal to 8. Then 0 plus 7, that is 0 is added to a number, the same number, we get 7. Then 5 plus 5, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is 10. 7 minus 0, that is 0 is subtracting from 7. 7 is there, so nothing is going, so the answer is 7. That is 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number. Then 3 minus 3, a number subtracted from the same number, we get 0. Here 9 minus dash equal to 9. Again we get the answer 9, so here 0. 9 minus nothing, that we get the same number. Then 10 minus dash equal to 10. That is the same number, so 10 minus 0. Then 0 plus dash equal to 1. That is 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 2 minus dash equal to 0. A number subtracted from the same number, we get 0. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Next we can do some addition and subtraction. First we will do addition. So add the following, or find the sum. SUM sum. SUM sum means addition. That is, add the following or find the sum. Some numbers 56 to 73. First we write 56 plus 273. Then column wise we write the bigger number is 273 plus 56. That is, according to their place you write. Here ones, tens, 100. So ones below you write ones place and tens below you write tens place. You know how to add. 3 plus 6, a greater number keep in mind, that is 6 in mind, and 6 after 7, 8, 9. 3 numbers add, so we get 9. Then 7 plus 5, 7 in mind, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 here, then 1 carrying. Then 2 plus 1, 3. This we know that 329. So next 546 plus 6105. That is, one is 4 digit and one is 3 digit. So we can write 6105 plus 546. Then here 6105, 546. 6 plus 5, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 here, 1 carrying, then 4 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, then this 6. Here nothing is there, so the same number. So the answer is 6651. Then next question, 5432, 4 digit plus 10075. That is a 5 digit and a 4 digit. So anyway we can write, but it is easy. First you write the greater number, that is 75. 5 digit, then below this, that is ones below you write this number 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way you write 5 plus 2, 7, then 7 plus 3, 7 after 8, 9, 10. 0 here, 1 carrying, then 4 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 1. A number adding to 0, the same number we get. Okay, so 15507. Then fourth question, a 5 digit number plus a 6 digit number. This year we already studied about that 6 digit number. So the 6th digit, first we write 656 plus 100100075. Then 6 plus 5, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 here, 1 here. 7 plus 5, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 1, 13. 1 here. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 7, 4 plus 1, 5, 5. So here answer is 5, 5, 7, 7, 3, 1. Then one more question. Two 6-digit numbers, that is 607538 plus 719305. So both are 6 digits, so we can write 607538 plus 719305. Then adding 8 plus 5, 8, keep in mind 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 here, 1 here. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 9 plus 7, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 6 plus 7, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, a 7-digit number we get ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 13 lakh 26,843. Only you listen this whenever you write in column wise according to their places you write and then add. And any carrying number is there, that also you add. Don't forget. Okay. Then next, subtraction. Subtract the following. Subtract the following or find the difference. For finding difference we subtract. Then first 357 minus 42. In that way we can write 357 minus 42. 7 minus 2, that is from 2 how many numbers we need to become 7. Then 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 5. So we can write 5. Then 5 minus 4. So 4 plus 1. 1 or 4 after 5. Only 1. Then this 3. So the answer is 315. Second question, 5, 4, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 0. Then 5, 4, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 1, 1 after 2, 3. So 2. Then 4 minus 2, 2 after 3, 4, 2. Then 5. So the answer is 5, 2, 2, 1. And third question, 5, 4, 7, 3, 1 minus 4, 6, 2, 0. That is 5, 4, 7, 3, 1 minus 4, 6, 2, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 5. So the answer is 5, 0, 1, 1, 1. When you subtract from the above to below, only you subtract, not below to above. From above 7 minus 2, not 2 minus 7. Here also 1 minus 0, not 0 minus 1. Here 1 minus 0, that is the above number what it is, then minus the below number. And next question, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minus 7, 8, 3, 9. Then listen, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minus 7, 8, 3, 9. 1 minus 9, not 9 minus 1. 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 is not going. Only 1 is there. From 1, how we subtract 9? We can't subtract. So, we are borrowing from here. So, the next place what it is, from there you borrow. Here 2. 2 means which place? 2 is in tens place. So, 2 tens are there. 1 10 it gives. So, this 2 becomes the preceding number, that is 1. 2 minus 1, whatever it is giving that number minus 1. That is 2 minus 1, 1 we get. Then here which number is there, the left of that number we put 1. If 1 is there, it becomes 11. If 0 is there, it becomes 10. If 2 is there, it becomes 12. If 5 is there, it becomes 15. That way. Now 11 is there. From 11 we can subtract 9s. That is 9 after 10, 11, 2. So we get 2 here. The next 1 minus 3. Again we can't subtract. So we borrow from the left. This 3 is here. 3, 1 giving, 3 becomes 2. And this 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 8. Then 2 minus 8. Again it is not going. So we borrow from left. Here 4 is there. 4 cut 3. And this 2 becomes 12. And 12 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 4. Then 3 minus 7. Here 5 is there. 5 cut and write 4. This becomes 13. 13 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 6. Here only 4 is there. Here nothing. So we get 4. So the answer is 4, 6, 4, 8, 2. In the next question, 1, 0, 0, 5, 7 minus 9, 6, 4, 2. 1, 0, 0, 5, 7 minus 9, 6, 4, 2. 7 minus 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 5. 5 minus 4. 4 after 5. That is 1. 0 minus 6. Here 0 minus 6 not going. So we borrowing from left. Here also only 0. So again we borrow from left. This 1 becomes 1 minus 1, 0. 1 giving to the next place. That is this 0 becomes 10. So this 0 will happy. So it borrow from this 10. So this becomes 10 and this becomes 9. Then we can subtract. 10 minus 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 4. Then 9 minus 9, a number subtracting from the same number, 0. Here also 0. When 0 putting before the number, that 0 has no value. So this is a 3-digit number, 415. So no need for writing these zeros. This becomes 415. I know that you all have addition very easy, but subtraction is difficult. So we can do so many subtraction problems. This fifth question. 607058 minus 41965. And here we can write 607058 41965 and subtraction. 8 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8. That is 3. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we borrow from here. Here nothing is there, 0. So again we borrow from 7. Here 7 is there. This 7 cut. And what you write? 7 minus 1. That is 6. This 0 becomes 10. And from that 10 it borrows. So 10 becomes 9 and this 5 becomes 15. Now we can subtract. 15 is there. From 15 we can subtract 6. So 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 9. So 9 we write. Then here 9 minus 9. Then 0. 6 minus 1. 5. 0 minus 4. Again we can't subtract. So borrow from here. 6 becomes 5 and 0 becomes 10. Then 10 minus 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 6. Here 5 is there. So the answer is 565093. One more question. 56780 minus 71354. 9 minus 4. That is 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. 0 minus 5. That we can't subtract. So borrow from left. This 8 becomes 7 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5. That is 5. Then 7 minus 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 7, we can't subtract, so we borrow from left. This 5 becomes 4 and this 6 becomes 16. Then 16 minus 7, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that is 9. Here 4 is there. So the answer is 4, 9, 6, 4, 5, 5. So for subtractions, these questions we do. Then I hope you understood all these concepts, how to borrow and then how to subtract. You put your own questions and subtract, then only it becomes very easy. Okay, if you practice by putting so many questions, then you feel, oh, this maths is very easy. Okay, so you practice well, and this session now we wind up. The next session we will do some extra questions, that is some step problems we can do based on addition and subtraction. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.